Hi boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to get to Peeble Go so that you can read your book about adaptations. First you go to your e-class, log into your e-class, go to the online research library. Then you're going to go to the left-hand side of your screen to databases. You're going to click on databases. Then you're going to scroll down until you see Peeble Go. And you're going to click Open Now. Then you're going to click on Science. Then you're going to click on Life Sciences. Then you're going to click on Adaptations. And then you're going to read your book about adaptations on Peeble Go. You can also click the yellow button.
Is the place where a plant or animal lives.
And it reads to you. Be sure to read in each category: body shape, life in deserts, protection. And I hope you have fun.